Hey everyone, millions of Americans release Social Security retirement income, but here is something many retirement don't realize. A large portion of those benefits can be actually taxed by the federal government. According to IRS rules, 85% your Social Security benefits could be become taxable depending your combined income. This means without proper planning, you could be end up paying more in tax than necessary. The good news is there several legal strategies that can be help in reduce tax burden and keep more money in your pocket. Here three smart tips retirement using avoid paying too much tax on social security. One way retirements reduce taxes is by living in states that don't tax social security benefits or income adds all some popular retirement friendly states including Florida, Texas and Tennessee. Because these state no state income tax retirements maybe keep more than social security income each year. However, it's important looks like entire tax picture before moving property tax, sale tax, and taxes retirement account like pension, IRS withdrawal could be affect your overall savings. Still, many retirements relocation tax friendly state can be lead significant long term saving. Social Security waiting a longer to claim your Social Security benefits while you can start receiving payments early age 62. Waiting until age 17 allow you can receive the maximum monthly benefits. This is not only increase your monthly income, also give you more time to plan your tax strategy during in the extra years. Many financial planner recommends moving money your traditional retirement account into Roth accounts. This process, Novi Roth conversion, will be help reduce future taxable income once Social Security payments begin. Many retirements also rely on retirement accounts like 401ks and traditional IRS, but their cash withdrawals for then these accounts and treat taxable income, which can be pushed into a higher tax brackets which combined with the social security benefits. A strategy some expert recommends in withdrawal fund of converting these Roth accounts before you can start receiving social security. Roth withdrawals typically tax free, which means don't increase the amount social security and become taxable. This strategy can be help retire manage their income levels and reduce tax exports later in retirement. By choosing a tax-friendly state, delaying benefits, and using Roth strategy, retirements may be unable to protect their income and reduce unnecessary taxes. A little planning today could be means thousands of dollars saving during retirement. Thanks for watching this video.